How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can upscale image quality in Photoshop. So let's say that you have your photo right here and you've decided to basically transform it the way you want to. Basically, it will not increase the resolution. It will only lower it down if you go ahead and increase its size. Now, the way to do this correctly is to simply click on the image layer, navigate through the image menu, and then click image size. Now from here on resample, you want to make sure that you have chosen the preserve details and reduce noise is set to 100%. Now from here, you could set your resolution the way you want to. Ideally, I'm going to set mine at 400 resolution, which will basically increase the overall resolution as you can see right here. So if you click on the OK button, it will then increase the actual resolution of the image. So basically, that's how you do this. It's extremely simple. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.